Then next we'll go with the binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. Let's say the binary number given to you is 11001100. Okay, we already know the answer, but still we need to verify that, okay, are we getting the same thing? Okay, just to verification. Okay, so how do we convert it?
Two raised to power
2 raised to power. But how?
0, 1, 2.
From left to right. Okay. Let's say if I'm writing binary number here, okay, means this is my binary number given to me 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Right? So how I'll do it? Left to right? From this side to this side? Okay, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Correct? Okay, then from which side? Left to right or right to left? Right to left. It will not be left to right, it will be right to left. Okay, because when you go from left to right, this will be incorrect. Okay, all you have to do, write your number, binary number, and then above the binary number, just above the binary number, start writing the place values from right to left. Okay, so the place value 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 written. These are what? These are the place value. And then this is what? Binary number. Okay, now what you have to do, anywhere you see 1, anywhere you see 1, that particular place value you have to write in the power of 2. Okay, this is 2. Here we have 1. Correct? What is the place value? 7. Write in the power of 2. 2 raised to power 7. Then next 1, place value 2 raised to power 6. 0 0 do not consider. 1, what is the place value? 3. 2 raised to power 3. Then again 1, what is the place value? 2. 2 raised to power 2. We have the values, just add these values. Okay, 2 raised to power 7, 128. 2 raised to power 6, 64. 2 raised to power 3, 8. 2 raised to power 2, 4. 128 plus 64, 192. 192 plus 8, 200. 200 plus 4, 204. 204. Okay, verify. See, 128 plus 64 plus 8 plus 4. 1100 1100, and the value is 204. Okay, or else what we can do, we can simply just click on the binary and write the binary, and here we'll get the decimal value 204. This is clear how we are going to do. Write your binary number, then write the place values from right to left, and then wherever you see 1, that particular place value write in the power of 2 and add it, and binary to decimal conversion is done. So this value is 204.